In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Airtable user account. This process involves several steps, so be sure to follow along carefully to ensure you understand each part. Let's dive in. Starting from your Airtable homepage, the first thing you'll need to do is navigate to your user profile. You'll find your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several options for managing your account. Next, you're going to select the Account option from this menu. This is where you can manage various aspects of your Airtable account, including security settings and personal information. Once you're on the Account page, you'll want to scroll all the way down. Here, you will find the option that reads, Delete your Airtable user account. Click on it. At this point, Airtable will ask you to log in again using your email address and password. This extra step is a security measure to confirm that you are indeed the account owner intending to make this significant change. So, go ahead and enter your login details when prompted. After successfully logging in, you'll be presented with a confirmation message. It will ask if you're sure you want to delete your account. It's essential to remember that once you go through with this action, you won't be able to undo it. All your data and information tied to this account will be permanently erased. So, take a moment to think it through if you're still on the fence. If you're confident in your decision, go ahead and click Yes, confirm my deletion of my account. This final step will complete the deletion process, and your Airtable user account will be removed. And there you have it. You have successfully deleted your Airtable account. Remember, this action is permanent, so it's always a good idea to be sure before confirming. This could mean backing up any critical information or considering whether you might want to use the account again in the future. That wraps up our guide on how to delete your Airtable user account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and straightforward. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials on managing your online tools and services.